Hey guys, Alex Fullerton from Fullerton Wines here to talk to you today about our newest release, a lightly sparkling wine called Fizzy by Nature. Fizzy by Nature is our first full attempt at making what's called a Pét-nat or a Pétillant Naturel. We have messed around with making a few bottles here and there, but this is a wine that is made sparkling naturally, hence the name Fizzy by Nature. So we took the grapes, we pressed them into juice, nothing was added. The only ingredient in this wine is Viognier grapes. Fermented it in barrel, and before the fermentation was done, we bottled the still fermenting juice. And so in this bottle, the yeast kept fermenting and produced some CO2 and a lot of sediment, as you can see. So it's a slightly sweet, lightly sparkling, hazy or cloudy wine. This is meant to be an easy, enjoyable wine. Like I said, a little bit sweet, which will help it pair with a lot of different foods, but not quite as much acid as in other sparkling wines. The label was designed by a good friend of mine, exemplifying the fact that we want you to enjoy this wine with family and friends, especially when it's safe to do so again. We're releasing this truly to celebrate the end of this crazy year that we call 2020. What's up, Phoebe? What's up? Cheers. Shake.